Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Adekoya Taiwo, a binary and a forex trader over 15 years ago. In the course of this video, I will be telling you that there is a secret website that you can just get the information and be using it to trade your binary forex and on forex broker any platform without lifting up your finger, with a secret website that have done all the job for you. All you need to do is to set it up under 3 minutes and wait for your profit to come in within just 3 minutes. So very fantastic. In fact, I've been using this website that I will not mention the name in this brief video of tutorial, but the name of the website is inside the full package of the video. When you order for it, you'll be able to learn more details about the secret. But I will just go to the practical session and show you some of the money that the software have made for me. The website per se have made for me. You will see it now practically. Let's go to the section of the practical aspect of it. Let me show you from the binary perspective as well. It's the same that website that I was telling you that tells me to place a trade here on binary platform on Europe USD and I was profit. But let me do another one again as a practical example. So they have placed another trade by the instruction of the website given to me that I should place up trade. So if you can get this trade as well, if you can get it, you will discover that you'll be making enough money. You'll be making enough money. So you see also I placed another trade that reviewed down trend as well. You will see that the two will be profitable because of the instruction of the website. So let me also show you the area of the forex platform, what the website has done so far so good. You can see my trade here. I opened this account with $300 and I've been profiting it. It will just tell me the simple instruction, then I will follow. You can see I've been profiting me. You see here all this profit. So I would advise you as well, you can get this secret name of this website. Like I told you, you don't need to do anything. You are not calculating anything. Just do the setup and fold your finger and see the profit comes in. Let's go back to the binary and see if he has given us the profit or maybe he's losing. Let me go and check it here for better understanding. I told you, you can see that we are in the winning part of the trade. We are in the winning part of the trade. So before you know, at the end of the day, within the 3 minutes, because it's still remaining 102, we discover that we are going to win the market. So that is how it just works. Very simple, like A, B, C. Thank you very much for watching the video. In case you want to contact me, you can call me on my phone 07058533372, or you can contact me on Facebook. Once again, let me call the phone number 07058533372. Thank you. God bless you.